This one is a, wait, this is a Lowe's video. Did I put this in my pocket? I think I'm making a video of it. I think it's in my pocket. Is it? Did I forget it? Where did it go? Where did it go? Talk about, prepared here. It's not that one. Jesus, where did it go? It's not that. It's not in the bag. Where did I put it? Oh, lay. Could have swore I put it in my pocket. Oh, there it is. This one is a... I bought this. It's brand new. It's a Craftsman. Because I wanted a feeler gauge. Now, where is it made? I don't know. It's probably made in Bangladesh, or for all I know. But anyway, it's a feeler gauge. Yeah, feeler gauge or whatever the hell it is. I don't know what it's called. It's a fan. Oh, there's a copper one here. I don't know what that one is. It's, I don't know. It was in my my truck, and the little thing unscrewed and it all went out, so it's not in any kind of order anymore. It just kind of fell out, so I had to put it back together. Let me put it down more here. It's I have a feeling these little numbers are gonna wear off on here. Let me turn this down some more here. I don't like when they, what did they burn it in? I think I have another one, 0.26, 0.25, 0.24, 322, 0.21, 20. Maybe I got them in right. 1, 2, 3, 34, 13. A brass one. What's this? 03. Oh yeah, 15. 15 thousandths of an inch. 6,007/8. Yeah. See, there's a whole bunch of. It's not very exciting. Craftsman. I think it was like $8 at Lowe's. I was gonna use this on the hell was it? On the bike. You're adjusting the valves. But I decided to just send the bike out. I decided to send the bike to get the valves done because I don't know what the hell I'm doing. So anyway, that's my big Lowe's purchase. Wow, Lowe's. I'm winning awards here. So anyway, just thought I'd show you in case you want to pick your tea with it. When I was a kid, I never could understand what this was for. I used to always see them scattered in the toolbox. They were never like this. It was always like one, and there was one splattered everywhere, all bent to pieces. Now I know. Oh, and my father used to have a motorcycle shop, so that's where I used to see them. Thanks for watching. Next. Oh, don't forget to like, subscribe, and calibrate your subscription to me. Thanks for watching.